I just opened the doors to my new shop, and it's everything I've ever dreamed of. I've been obsessing over these dresses for ages, and now I get to share them with the world. And speaking of gorgeous dresses, this one I just got in, it's so stunning. Welcome my showroom. I hope you can find the dresses of your dream here. Here is fitting room for you, and your friends can go walk around shop.
Blonde, you have to try this one. It's positively divine.
It feels amazing. What do you think, Monica?
I think it's a 9.
An 8. It's lovely but not jaw-dropping. How about this one?
The fabric is like a dream. Jessica?
It's a 9.
No, it's an 8.
Darlings, I've been watching.
What is it? Oh. My. Stars.
A perfect 10!
Absolutely! A 10 for me too! Behold! The gown of goddesses!
I'll take all 3 dresses.
Excellent choice, my dear. And here's a bag for your treasures.
Thank you.
Enjoy, lovelies. Until next time.